Good morning and welcome to the Shackin' First Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. I'm Fitz, and this week on our Monday Morning Minute, we have a very special guest, John the Handpiece Guy. John the Handpiece Guy has helped Dr. Shackin over a couple decades now. Easy. Repairing and helping him with his handpieces. So when you do the amount of implants that Dr. Shackin does, you're going to need a good handpiece repair guy. And this is where John comes in. But we also at Shackin' First get a tremendous amount of calls about how to service and how to lubricate handpieces. We want you to keep this beautiful Aseptico handpiece for many, many years to come. So what John is going to do this morning is John's going to take a minute or two and explain exactly how you use our brand new lubricant at Shackin' First to maintain the handpiece. So John, tell us what you think.
Okay, so what we have here is a synthetic lubricant, and synthetic lubricants are best because they don't break down in the sterilization process. And most lubricants that you see on the market are mineral oil based, which do break down in the sterilization process. So that's why we recommend this lubricant. So what you're gonna do is, after your procedure, you're gonna take your lubricant and what we call an E-adapter tip, and that screws onto this top of this can.
And this is sold separately. And how long will this last?
This tip you can reuse with your new can. So as you replace your cans, you unscrew this tip and reuse it.
Perfect. Excellent.
So the way you want to use this is you shake your can, and within 15 minutes after you're done your procedure, it's imperative that you lubricate it in that time period, because during the procedure you get your fluids, saliva, blood will work their way up into the head of these handpieces. And if you don't lubricate within about 15 minutes of the end of the procedure, what happens is that blood can dry, and then that gets very, turns gritty, and that will start tearing up your bearings.
I think you explained to me once, it's almost like rust.
Yeah,
and
it is.
It can really play havoc on the intricate parts that move.
It tears everything up.
Yeah.
So what we recommend then, of course, is within 15 minutes, and I put the handpiece in a bag like so, give the can a shake, you put your tip in, and you want to hold both sections because it is under pressure, and you shoot your lubricant in. And as you can see what came out, all that dirt, and you want to spray it again until clear lubricant comes out. And you can see how dirty that is.
Yeah.
So we're just going to keep shooting it until the lubricant comes out clear. And that's getting pretty clean right there.
And what is the average amount of times you'll have to spray it, would you say?
Well, if you take care of your hand pieces, it should be once or twice. But as you can see how dirty this one was, you're going to do it multiple times until the lubricant comes out clear.
So you got a good 5 sprays out of that one before it became clear.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So then what you do is then you just bag your handpiece, sterilize it, and then it's ready for reuse.
Okay.
All right.
That's excellent. And occasionally we get the question, so they'll lubricate it before or after autoclave?
You don't have to lubricate after autoclaving because the synthetic lubricant withstands the autoclaving process.
Gotcha. So no matter how hot that autoclave is,
that's right,
it's not going to break up the...
So you only need to do it after the procedure. And then you lubricate, bag, and sterilize, and you're good to go.
Okay. I know a lot of you out there have the Aseptico 7000 motor, and the Mont Blanc 20-to-1 handpiece that we just saw was pretty dirty, and thank goodness for the lubrication spray, how you can clean it up. But so if you're interested in keeping your handpiece healthy, which I'm sure you are, please call either Kevin, Nick, or myself at Shackin' First, and we'll get you a can of the lubrication spray sent out, and we'll get you the spray tip as well. And yeah. I hope it was educational for everybody. John, we really appreciate you being with us on the Monday Morning Minute. Very kind of you. Keep on fixing Dr. Todd's hand pieces for him. Yeah, I know you go through a lot, but we're coming to the end of summer, so I want to tell everybody about an implant special we're going to have. We call it the Back to School Special, and we're going to have implants. Either you can buy 25, get 5 free, buy 50, get 10 free, 75, 15, or 100, and you get 20 free. So you can also take advantage of a deal that we have. If you purchase the 25 and 5, you get to buy 3 any Shackin' First products. Healing caps, blockout shims, and we have healing caps for both mono and MDL and Milo. Impression copings, blockout shims, like I said, true lock abutments, whatever you need. And if you buy 3, you get 1 free. Now, if you buy 50 implants or greater, you can buy 2 of our Shackin' First, any products you need, and we'll give you 1 for free. So if you buy 50 implants, you get into the club. So we hope everyone will also take advantage of our courses in September, October, and November. So back to school, we just happen to be standing in the world's largest mini dental implant training facility. So sign up before the end of August and receive $200 off any course you'd like to come to for the rest of the year. Thank you so much. Have a great week placing mini and mono implants, and we'll see you next week on the Monday Morning Minute.